What's up, YouTube? This is probably going to be a quick video because we have to depend on the employees. So the Walmart inventory tracker that I use says there's 2 refrigerators in the back room. One is about a medium size, like a dorm room, and the other one is like a smaller size. One of them's $35, regular $200, and the other one is $25 regular, $189, something like that. But we need to find an employee that will go in the back and get it, look for it, something it. even know where the refrigerator section is, guys. Right here, maybe? I don't know. So, we'll be back in a minute. See, there's Chester freezer. I'm gonna look for that one refrigerator that says it was on the floor. Where is it? Coffee makers.
Head to the in-store pharmacy to talk to a pharmacist about your shingles risk today. This has been a paid advertisement by GSK.
There we go. When it comes to this crap, I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about appliances or any of that. Nothing. Which one is it? It's none of these. Let's see. Gallons. It's in a black box. I remember that. And then this one is Hisense or whatever. Hisense.
That's BRYANT. To learn more, limited time offers in select areas.
So, there we go. I'll be back in a minute. Thank you. Yeah, that'll work. Right there, up there? Okay. Was it up in the top or something? I figured. Yeah. All right. So there you go. Do what? I have no clue yet. I'm sure when my son sees it, he'll want it. Hope it's not raining. All right, but there it is. It's $35. Yes, ma'am. Like the video. What's up, YouTube? See if we can find something today. It says they have refrigerators. It says they have 5 big ones. What's up, sir? You got any clearance anywhere? No. You gotta do this stuff too? You gotta do all this stuff too? I didn't know this was your area.
Yeah,
Oh, really? Golly. Hey, you know if a person over refrigerator is working today? He's always off when I come. Let's see. All right. Favorites. Says they have 5 of. Holy moly, all these people. Says they have 5 of those. And 2 of those. So we gotta get somebody to go in the back. David, do you think you can go get these out of the back? It says they're refrigerators, though. It's not your area. It's those refrigerators. Can I give you the UPC? Maybe it'll tell you where it is. It says 2, right, in the back?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Okay, so maybe he'll get them. He's a lot better than most employees. We got nothing. What are these for $1? What are these? We'll check. Dollar. Let's see. Go to Amazon. You want my feedback? Y'all don't want my feedback, I promise. I cannot sell them, but they're only $5, so it doesn't matter. Okay. Good on that. What else we got? How much is this? What is it? This little pool stuff. If it's $1, I buy it, I guess. Let's go to Walmart now. Walmart. $6. Nobody touched that in a while. $2. $5. It was $20. I guess we'll see. I doubt if it's worth it. It is small. Oops. There we go. Alright, don't care. I want calendars. I would love those for cheap. Barney, don't care about Barney. There's only one of these. There was a bunch. So what happened? $4, see? Are they worth $4? Not really. No, not really. No, not worth $4. These are $4, they're worth $7. But I cannot sell these. I do not think. What is this? $8. Cannot sell those. It's not bad. I don't know, aquarium heater. Not bad. Rain-X, we're not doing Rain-X. $10. Is this stuff worth it? Probably not. Anything over there? No, not really. Let's see. Nothing. $25. Nothing. This was already here. Those are too much. I sold that for $70 on Amazon. It's insane how much people will pay for some stuff. Try me, I'm trying. Oh Lord. I'm guessing this is not on clearance. Let's see. $67. Insane. I'm trying to put it back. There we go. Let's see. Clearance. Are these on clearance for real? No, these are not on clearance. Yes, ma'am. Let's see. I'll buy this. This is messed up. That's why it's still there. Lots of rollback clearance. Legos. Crazy. They redid this aisle. You can actually see what they have. Anything up top? I don't think so. Let's see. What are we going? Oh, we're looking for this right here. See if it's still a bin location for this. I bought one like 2 weeks ago. It says I still have one. These are all Christmas. All right, I'll be back if he finds the refrigerators. I don't think that Lego is that price. That's why I'm kind of asking. There's some up top, right up top. That's why I think it's messed up. I don't think that one right there is that price. You getting the key or something? He is a man of few words, but we got these, $25. Let's see. Let's go to Walmart right there. Can't scan that one. Right here. Yeah, $25. Let's see how much they are on Walmart. Like 100, I think. Oh shoot. Oops. Hold on. Stop scanning stuff. Yeah, 168. Amazing. All right. Well, there you go. Easy as this. Get the Walmart inventory checker that's pinned in the comments. Like the video. Comment on the video, please. I don't care what a comment is. I'm sure a lot of y'all are commenting hateful stuff, but that's okay. Every comment helps. Thanks for watching. And make sure you check out my membership. That'll have the UPCs in here and the inventory checker. Check out the inventory checker. This is how I'm finding all this stuff. All this stuff is in the back room, probably up top, and nobody knows about it. So check that out. It's pinned in the comments. Thanks for watching. I doubt we'll find anything, but you never know. What's up, YouTube? It's too close to Christmas now.
Different beats, same vibe. Something for everyone, every day. This is Walmart and Sam's Club.
Walmart. My own roof and nothing but favorite tunes. One thing on my mind. You're making me feel brand new. What do we have? Oh. Oh my God. $1. What is this? How much is this? Too much, I'm sure. $10 might be okay. Hope they're marking all that crap down. Alright, let's see. In my, why didn't it come up? Pokemon carrying case. This is it, right? Looks like it. Yeah. Alright, so $10. I'll make $19 minus shipping, but that's at Amazon's price. We might go higher than that. Batteries, we don't care about batteries. Half off. If this is on sale, my daughter's getting this. Walmart. What are these? Jelly picks? What are jelly picks? They're only $5. It doesn't matter. $11. That is definitely not clearance. No chance on that stuff. Why are these even here? $5 is too much. Yeah, too much. How much are Paw Patrol? I don't know. How much does it say? $5, too much. How much is a monkey? $30. Why is this on clearance? Why is all this stuff on clearance? What is this? Golga? I don't know who that is, but $25. All this stuff seems like regular price. Yeah. Yeehaw. Alright, yeehaw then. $10 too much. No, these right here should be on sale. How much are they on sale for? No clue. We're about to have a traffic jam. This thing right here, maybe. This is 16. This is massive. Oh, I already scanned it. What does it say? It doesn't say. How many inches? Come on. 14-inch. Okay, so this is 16. That is not the same. I don't have one I see. What is this one? Barbie. How much is Barbie? Who knows? Because they don't have a tag. Nope, no tag. All right. Krispy Kreme. Does this even? Let's see. it's not worth it, but I want to see if I can sell this. Nope. Let's see about this big yellow thing. Oh, that's the same. It's not Squishmallows. Let's see about this big. Holy crap, that one's huge. Let's see how much this is. It doesn't say, so now I gotta go to Scan and Go. Scan and Go. 747, that's too much. Alright, so let's see about this one. Too much. I think they're about to mark these down, but I don't see anyone. $30. It's crazy prices. That 89 cents. Do I want this? Probably. It's Halloween, that's why it's 89 cents. You're still finding crap like that. We'll buy it and hold it. It's only 89 cents. Why not? Let's see about this one. This one is not Halloween. I know that for a fact. $7.97. Okay. Red hot pepper. $2.97. Why is that two? I'm so lost. That is not the right one. Let's see about that. Sriracha. Is it 8 inches? Oh, it looks smaller than 8 inches. It don't matter. I'm not buying it. Let's see about this Barbie. $6 is too much. That was $30. Let's see about, I don't know who this is. Who is this? Cheshire. The cat. Oh, this is a Halloween one. I'm sure we'll get this one. I wonder where these have been. No telling how long they've had these in the back room. Why? Okay. So that one is a Halloween one. Orange tag, blah, blah, blah. But this one is not. I want this one. This is 7.5 inches. It's not the same one though. Let's see about this one. Halloween. Let's see if it's marked down. If it's not, I'm done looking. Marked down. Nope. All right, I'm done looking. That one is though. Legos. This on sale. It's probably full price. $60. Let's see about this one. Oh, that's too small. Let's see about this. Nope. Alright, whatever. Let's go see employees or something. I don't know. See, it's coming out in boxes. Let's see how much this is. Look, they got crap up there too. How much is this one? $9. Too much. Is this on sale? 13 is too much. Crazy.
With the Vizio 4.1 soundbar, now available at Walmart.
That looks like a clearance sticker. I'm curious.
Don't miss the Walmart World Radio Podcast. New episodes are waiting for you right now. Now, back to more of Walmart and Sam's Club Radio.
Nope, not a clearance sticker. Okay. I need to find an employee. See if they marking those Squishmallows down. Because if they are, I would buy a lot of them. Alright, I'll be back if we find something. Alright, so we're going through these. Like, these already have $3 on it. And I think he's gonna mark them down a half of whatever it is. So I'm gonna take a bunch of these Squishmallows. We're going through them right now. Stuff down there on the shelf we gotta go through. A lot of 747s that I'm not gonna buy at 747. I'm gonna buy it like half off of that or more than half. But just giving you an update of where we're at, kind of thing. I'll be back in a minute and let you know. All right, we got a few. The rollback ones wouldn't go down. That's fine. They were $7.47. I didn't really want to pay whatever, $3.70. Yeah, $3.73. But most of these, if not all these. Oh yeah, that one couldn't be done. Or $1.50 and $3. Let's get this out of the way. No, not like this. I've sold this, so this is the one I know I wanted. $1.50. Let's see about the Mr. Robert. Let's see about Robert. $1.50. Halloween one, I mean, I don't know why it's still here, but this one was 89 cents. $1.50. And then all those down there. You got these. All of them should be $1.50. Except that one that was $3. Yeah, $1.50. This is $3. These are the new ones. I don't know why they're on clearance, but I'll take it. $3, and then the Pokemon is $10. It was $40, so 75% off. But 90% off of Halloween. And I don't know regular price. Regular price $15 to $30, no telling. And getting it for $1.50 most of them. So gotta love 90% off right before Christmas. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. Check out the inventory checker that is pinned in the comments. And check out my membership that I have all these UPCs in there, and see if they are that price or cheaper or whatever at your Walmart. Like the video and subscribe.